if you have a drip coming from your water heater such as this, and you got to catch it in a bucket or it's making a mess, it could be like this tank, and there's no expansion tank on this one, so that's probably an issue. But 9 times out of 10, it's your pressure reducing valve, your PRV, that's allowing too much pressure into the system and needs to be swapped out. In this house, their pressure was 55 psi, so they were good to go there. So we're going to put a new expansion tank right there. And I would have recorded all that, but you know why. So anyway, here's the finished tank. I like to alternate my bands like that just for better security. That's the way I was taught and how I do it. And then I tuck all the excess band back behind so it looks nice and clean. I leave the instructions here for the homeowners just kind of tucked into that little cap right there. And then, yeah, they don't have any more issues. Have a wonderful day.